The market volatility which is being experienced in Europe and Norway, which are Meatco's major markets, are said to be affecting the meat producers' prices.
And yes, it is true that the producer price currently is under pressure, and the average producer price paid year on year by Meatco to its producers has decreased by about 4%. But if you take the 4% and you put it in light of the fact that we've lost about 17.5% in Europe, we've lost about 14.5%, or 17.5% in Norway, 14.5% in Europe, and we've gained around 2% in the United Kingdom, lost about 7% in South Africa, then it's actually, at this stage, the producer is getting a bigger share of the returns from the markets than it has last year.
Namibia has been experiencing a follow-up drought year that in many areas worse than the 2013 drought. This, according to VEC, had a negative impact on the composition and quality of cattle slaughtered during this year in terms of overall weight and condition as well as grading.
Now lately, the exchange rate has played, or always the exchange rate plays a very big role in the determination of the producer price. But it's not the only factor that plays a role. Now, of late, we would have seen that you would have noticed that the Namibian dollar has weakened quite considerably against its trading partners, those being the euro, the pound, and the US dollar. And there's an expectation from the producers that says, well, while we are reducing, while the exchange rate is weakening so much, how come the producer price isn't increasing at the same level? And it's a fair question. But what must be remembered is the fact that it's not the only impacting factor on the producer price. We have to look at things like the retail price within the markets, the distribution of the cuts, the size of the cuts.
Meatco experienced a decrease of approximately 10.28% in actual sales prices in euro, stemming from last year within the Norwegian market alone. In addition, an 8% decrease in retail prices was also observed due to the strengthening Namibia dollar against the euro during the first half of 2015. Similarly, sales prices in Meatco's mainland Europe decreased by 6%.